and now welcome to this video. My name is Mahuya, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a whiteboard animation using simple PowerPoint. Interesting, right? Let's begin.
Alright, so first let's see what a whiteboard animation looks like and what we are actually going to do. So this is what we are going to draw together. Dream big. Let's see it one more time so that we take a mental note of exactly what we are going to do next few minutes. Alright, so let's begin now. Alright, so we are going to first delete all of this and begin with a clean canvas. So Control A, delete. So all my text and animation is gone. Step 1, add the text. Dream big. So that's our text. We are going to change the font type and make it bigger. Okay, I'm still playing a bit with the style so that it looks nice. Alright, so we have our text, dream big. Now we need the hand. So go ahead and find the picture in the internet if you're liking and insert that here. So I already have downloaded one image, so I'm gonna just import it here. So this is my hand. So we are not going to use any design ideas, we are going to create our own design. So let's move the hand down. So essentially these are the two objects which we are going to animate next. We begin by animating the first object, which is the text. Click on animation, click on fade. And now let's click on it from the animation pane, and we're going to make some few adjustments and pay very close attention. So we are going to keep the timing as one click. We're going to make it medium so that we can see or notice as the text go by. And we want the animation to happen by letter. And we'll have 10% delay between the letters so that it's visible to the eye. And we do not want it so. Alright, so yeah, it looks pretty decent. We might have to adjust the timing between these two objects, but we'll get to that in a bit. So now we have to animate our hand. So we are going to choose custom path. Now pay very close attention. All I'm going to do is write over the text. Since it's in black, it may not be that visible, but I am actually drawing on top of the text. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. As you see, mine is not. We are almost there. Once you're done, you just double click. So now we have to bring this hand to the right location. So in order to do that, click on the picture and then drag it to where your first letter begins, right? So, and see, it's now aligning exactly where the D begins. So that's about it. We are almost done, and we're going to make a few changes. We're going to make this bit previous so that it automatically starts with the previous text, right? Let this be medium, and let's remove all of this. We don't need it. Okay, so now we are going to ensure that the picture is on the front pane. So now let's try it out and see how it looks. If everything is fine, we are all done. Otherwise, we'll come back and just adjust the speed of both of the objects. Alright, so ready? Perfect. So here you go. So this is how easy it is to create whiteboard animation using PowerPoint.
I hope that was fun and easy, right? And I really hope you guys try that and let me know in the comment section how your experimentation goes. Yeah, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button below. And I shall see you on my next video. Until then, bye and take care and stay safe. Bye.